Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Mallory, and in today's video we are back with part 3 of the Morphe collection. This is part 3 of the Get Rich and Foiled collection. We are on to the Rose to Fame palette. Obviously we're getting rose gold vibes from this one. Super excited. This collection has been like chef's kiss. They've been killing it on this collection. So part 3, we're hoping to go 3 for 3 with this one. The other 2 Morphe palettes were absolutely phenomenal. They were amazing, especially that going platinum. I think that one was my favorite so far, but let's see, because I do love a good rose gold. Check out this color story. Sickening. She's beautiful. This molten metal shade in the middle is what this little sheet card is for. For overall creamy effects, apply dry with a packing brush or apply wet for enhanced liquid effects. So you can spray your brush with the continuous setting mist or water before picking up the molten metal eyeshadow and glide a line, lash line, or crease for molten light shine. So that's pretty much what the sheet says. One of these came in every palette, so doesn't matter which one you get a sheet too. Everyone gets a sheet. You get a sheet. You get a sheet. You get a sheet. Let's dive right in. I do need to looks like there's something on my lid, but I don't remember if I did I put something on there or not. Did I put something on there or not? I don't remember. I'm gonna go ahead and base it, and then we're gonna get right into the look. Okay, we're ready. I want to attempt to use the shade right here. Spoiler alert, this one is pretty light, but let's just see how it goes. Now with this shade, I'm taking a Luxie 205 blending brush. This shade right here is giving me more of like a cool toned mauve type of shade. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you guys the names again. So this one that we're taking right now is Spoiler Alert, but we also have on a pedestal, cute, Nepo Beige, Spoiler Alert, Charmed Life, Rose to Fame, Brassy and Sassy, Trust Fund Issues, Budding Fortune, Aristocratic Aura. These are cute. These are cute names. You guys know I love a good like wordplay. On a pedestal. That's cute because it's like pedestal, but you guys get it. I don't need to explain it. And Nepo Beige. Cute. Morphe, you get me every time. So that shade is actually pretty cute. We're gonna go into Trust Fund Issues now. This is a Luxie 207 brush that we're gonna use with this shade. Keeping that Luxie 205 handy though. Keeping it close by. Now this shade is more of like a warm mauve, and it's beautiful. Now I'm going back and forth between the 2 brushes that we just used and trying to get a good blend on this in the outer V. These 2 shades are blending together so seamlessly, much like the other 2 palettes. So we're off to a great start, and Morphe is just, this is the Morphe quality that I've always known and loved. I hate whenever they bring out that weird quality that's like not good and we're just like, what the hell is that? But this is like good stuff. Their next drop better not be trash. So I feel like I'm hooked, and then they're gonna come out with something else and it'll not be like, it's like a toxic relationship. Like you never know what you're gonna get, you know? But this right here has been pretty satisfying. I feel pretty fulfilled. Life is good. So far so good. I'm repeating the same on the other side. This is that Trust Fund Issues shade, and going back and forth between the, which shade was this? I forgot the name already. The Spoiler Alert shade. Going back and forth between the 2 brushes to get a good blend. It's giving a daytime glam, which I love that. So now we're gonna take the Morphe TE 202 brush. This is from the holiday collection, and we're gonna take the shade Aristocratic Aura. Gonna blend this into the crease somewhat low. Is that fallout? Hello. When do we start seeing you around? I'm blending that into the crease, and this is, she's stunning. I'm gonna repeat the same on the other side. And again, this is like a very easy blend as well. Like So far, so good. We're off to a great start. I knew we would be. Like, I knew Morphe would let us down, like, on the last palette. Like, on the last one of the collection, there's no way. So we have some decisions to make here. Because the shade Nepo Beige in the middle, that is looking pretty good. The Rose to Fame is also looking pretty good. Gorgeous shade Charmed Life is looking pretty. All of these shades, they are just screaming to be used, but which one should we use? They're not screaming loud enough. Okay, so before we use anything on the lid, I am gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna do it off camera though for time's sake, and we'll be back in just a sec. Okay, so now that we're back, I've made an executive decision. We're gonna take this shade right here on a Petal still, and we're gonna put this shade right here on the lid. I'm gonna brighten that area up. Okay, so I was worried about the patchiness, but there was like a crease in my base, and that's where the patchiness is. So that's false alarm. False alarm. It's not the palette. It's a me thing. Because I was about to say, don't be disrespectful. So we were off to a great start. Like, don't ruin it. But no, we're still great. We're still good. It's just a me thing. But the next shade we're gonna put on, it's gonna cover that anyway, so I'm not worried about it. Not worried about it at all. All right, so next we're gonna take the shade right here. This one is Nepo Beige with the cute name. And I'm gonna spread that all over my lid. Get a nice shimmer action going. This shade is giving like ballet pink, very pastel pink, but it's not creamy really. It's more of like a shimmer shadow, which I love that. I feel like these stick a lot better. So now I'm gonna go back in with that shade Aristocratic Aura and blend my outer crease. Not my, I don't know what this is, the outer part of the cut crease. I blur that edge right there. And I know you didn't think that we were gonna go through this whole palette and not use this baby right here. I know you didn't think that we were not gonna use this baby right here. We showed up for the Molten Metal Shadow. I'm gonna use this wet, and I'm gonna try to do like a line over the crease with that shade. Since we used it as a liner last time and then used it as a lid shade the time before, I figure why not do something different? So this time I am gonna take my Continuous Setting Mist, and I'm using the Morphe TE203 brush. Not me running out of my Continuous Setting Mist, my prep and set. We're going into the shade Rose to Fame, and I'm going to do a line of it above this cut crease. These molten shades are, they are something else. I'm gonna go back over it again because I feel like it was super duper wet whenever I put it on with the brush the first time. So I'm gonna see if I get some more shine, even though it is plenty shiny. Wow, so it is just like a subtle, it's a little subtle accent piece to the look, but it's very, very cute. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some liner, and I'm trying to decide if I want to do some under eye business with this palette. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a lash and clean up this fallout, and I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. What do y'all think? I think she's cute. I think she's cute. Morphe, hello girl. Keep doing what you're doing because you're killing it. If you ask me, you need all three. You need all three. I think I told you guys last time I saw online that the Gold Seeker and the Going Platinum, they were both sold out online, but the Rose Gold wasn't, and she's cute. So, and I also didn't check on Ulta. It was more just Morphe's website that I saw that they were sold out. So if I were you, I would check and see if they have all three. If they do, girl, get them. Run, don't walk. Go get them, because I my oh my, me oh my, I do believe that these are really great palettes. I haven't been this excited for a Morphe drop in a while, and this one came out of nowhere and surprised me. This is the wrong palette. Oh my god. We're not talking about you, goal seeker. So this palette, I want to say that my favorite shades, Rose to Fame on this one, this shade, this is the only one that I was not that excited about, the Molten Metal Shadow, because Rose Gold shades is just like, I don't know, I feel like I'm right on the cusp of where this shade looks good on me as an eyeshadow. So that's why I wasn't that excited about it. But Nepo Beige, just the name alone, I knew I was gonna love it because it's so cute. But spoiler alert also surprised me. Both shades, Nepo Beige and Spoiler Alert, surprised me. Very, very cute shades. All around the look, I think it came out pretty cute. And yeah, you guys, like I keep telling y'all, these palettes, pretty affordable and great. If you are not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, like this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the look, and which look out of the 3 palettes that we reviewed was your fave. Let me know in the comment section below, and you guys will see my face in the next one.